Let's take a quick look at how to export reports to Google Sheets from Google Ads. Now, to do this, I'm going to start by going to a campaign and selecting a specific ad group that I know already has data. So to do that, I just went to campaigns here, went to ad groups, and selected a campaign and ad group and everything. Now we can see all the data for this, but maybe we want to export this data into a Google Sheet. To do that, we come over here to where it says download. And this is going to be above pretty much any data that you see in Google Ads. If you click download here, there is the Google Sheets option. When you click that, it's going to allow you to name the file. So we could do something like test. You can have more options. You can choose which folder you want to save it in. I'm just going to do my drive. And then you can add segments, which is quite interesting. So if you want to download the data based on, the conversion source or the device or network or the day of the week or the hour of the day or anything like that, you can segment the data here. If you click this little question mark, it will tell you exactly how these segments work, but it'll let you organize performance data around specific criteria, which is something you can do right within the data here. You can segment the data. You just click segment, and then it'll give you some options of how you want to segment that data. And so you can do the same thing by exporting it in a specific way by choosing Google Sheets. You can actually do this by choosing more options and doing just a regular Excel CSV file export too. But assuming you want to do Google Sheets, you can just click Google Sheets here. Again, name it whatever you feel is necessary. And then there are some additional options here. You can choose date and title range, totals, editable columns for bulk uploads, and save to reports. I'm going to just leave it the way it is by default and click. And then it will pop open a window where you'll have to log in with your email. Then it'll take it a second, but it'll prepare that report. And then we should see that end up in our Google Drive, whichever email we selected. If you go to your Google Drive account for that email and go to whatever folder you added it to, you should see it in there. So if you have a folder where you're just pushing all your reports to, you can pretty quickly and easily just generate it, select the right folder, and pass it over. It says there was an issue preparing your report. Please try again later. Oh, wonderful. So that can happen. I'll probably have to look and see what I did exactly. I probably selected something with the email that it was not happy about. Sometimes it will just glitch out. I mean, Google sometimes will glitch. I think every website will at certain points too. So if it is giving you issues, you can always reach out to the Google Ads support team up here. If you click the help panel, then you'll see an option down here where you can click contact. And that's how you'll be able to get in touch with the support team at Google Ads, who can assist you if you're having some sort of a technical platform issue, like an error message like this. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.